Let's take a look at some recipes using the InstaCuppa Salad Spinner. So first I am adding some lettuce to the salad spinner with some water. We'll wash and drain the lettuce and spin again. The lettuce is ready. Now let's make some veg Caesar salad. So in goes some mayo, garlic, lemon juice, cheese, black pepper and water. Next I am adding some croutons, cherry tomatoes, followed by the dressing that we had prepared. To make pasta salad, here I've got some mayo, crushed black pepper, sugar and water. To this I'm adding boiled pasta, lettuce, cherry tomatoes. Give it a good mix and your pasta salad is ready to serve. For black chana chaat, I'm adding some boiled black chana followed by onion and tomato, some lemon juice and coriander with some chaat masala. I'm spinning it to get rid of the excess water and the chaat is ready to serve. Now I'm adding some okra to the bowl with some water. Let's wash and dry the okra. Washing and then drying makes okra non-sticky while cooking. So it's very important that the okra or bhindi is totally dry before you cook it. The okra fry is ready and is not at all sticky.